Today I will show you how to reverse a video on CapCut, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your CapCut account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for a free account, and once that's done, you're going to go to your project and you're going to find the video that you want to reverse. So for instance, let's say we want to reverse this video right here. Now you have two choices when you want to reverse a video. You can either choose to reverse the whole video. Let's take out this keyframes. You can either choose to reverse the whole video, or you could choose to reverse a part of the video. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to choose a part of the video to reverse. So let's choose this part here. Now you can see, if you want to choose for the part that you want to reverse, you're going to click on the video and you're going to move the timer to where you want to reverse from. First thing is from, and then you click on split, and then you go to where you want to reverse to, then you click on split. So now we have this middle video here, this middle part of the video that we want to reverse. Now please ensure that you are clicked on the part that you want to reverse. Don't click on any other part, just the part that you want to reverse. And once you click on it, you should see a couple of options at the bottom of the page. It says from the split, it should end with a unlink. And before you get to the unlink part, I think that the third to the unlink part, or the second, should be reverse. And once you click on reverse, it should take a couple of seconds or minutes to process, depending on how big the video is, or the part of the video is. And once that's done, you should be able to see the reversed parts. And we're going to do that in a second. And you can see, once we move the timer back, bring it here, you see this part of the video has been reversed. So just to give it a little bit of context, this 3 seconds part, right, that we reversed. Now let's unreverse it, and then we can see what it actually looks like. Now you see the reverse has been cancelled. When we play it, you can see what it actually looks like, and you can tell the difference from the reverse parts. Now that's how to reverse a video on CapCut. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I will see you in the next one.